The ice breaking for today is about yes and no answer. But it is Zoom, so we cannot do by doing stand up or sit down. But when you answer my questions and the answer is yes, your hand must be like this. Okay. And when I ask you question and your answer is no, so your hand must be like this. Okay. So the answer can be yes, can be no. It depends on what's the reality. And I'm going to ask you about past tense questions. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. You are ready. All right. Uh, just answer by using hand. You don't need to speak like this or maybe like this. Okay. Hi, friend. Did you sleep well last night? Did you watch YouTube this morning? Did you watch YouTube this morning? Did you go to mall yesterday? Did you eat breakfast at 7 o'clock? Did you call me last night? Did you watch TV this morning? Yeah, okay, thank you very much. Give applause to yourself. Yeah, right. So that questions can be given to your students by asking so many questions, not only about past tense. You can ask some questions by saying, will you go to my house after the class? Do you like English? Have you eaten your breakfast? Any questions? Because last week we learned about past tense, so my questions is related with past tense. Okay.